Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Genius Learnings. As you know, this is my first video after the introduction. In this video, we are going to study biology chapter, nutrition, and animals. Welcome. Now, we are going to study nutrition in animals by Genius Learnings. Let's move forward. Now, we are going to study the term Holozoic nutrition. What is Holozoic nutrition? This is the mode of nutrition in which organisms feed on the food that may be solid or liquid. Means that the food that the organisms are consuming is the solid or liquid. Now we learn the examples. What are the examples? Examples are amoeba and human beings. Now, this is the picture of amoeba. Now, I hope everybody is understanding the concepts and you have understood holozoic nutrition. Now, in this slide, we will learn the nutrition in humans. Now, process of digestion are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. What we'll do is now we learn the definitions of ingestion, digestion, absorption, and assimilation, and egestion. What is ingestion? Ingestion is taking in of the food. Now, what is taking in of food? When we open our mouth and put the food in our mouth, that's egestion. Okay, all right, now we move to digestion. Digestion is breaking down of complex food into smaller soluble food substances. Like digestion, if we are putting food in our mouth, like we have kept a bread piece, so after chewing for some time, you'll imagine that the food or the bread has become the sugary type sweet. Now this is the conversion of complex food substances into smaller soluble substances that are soluble, that can be mixed into the water or in any liquid thing. Now we'll move to absorption. Absorption is when digested food is absorbed into body cells. What body cells? Now here the food is digested, and now the turn is of absorption. Now in absorption, the digested food is absorbed into body cells. Now assimilation. Now the food is digested and now it is absorbed by the body cells. Now what will body cells do? They will utilize the food to just use the food by just using it in the form of energy or by creating new protoplasm and providing the energy. Now the absorbed food is utilized and is used to provide energy and to form new protoplasm. And now egestion. What is egestion? When you put food in your mouth and whole digestion, absorption, and assimilation takes place. After that, the removal of undigested food. Now the food is digested and absorbed and utilized. Now finally, the waste material, the facial waste, is removed from our body through anus. Now, what is anus? We'll understand in the next slide. So, let's move on. The alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is made of following body parts: buccal cavity, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Now, this is the diagram of the alimentary canal, and now these are the parts of alimentary canal. Now, as you can see, that egestion. Let's revise or recall the previous thing. Here there is mouth. Here what occurs? Let me tell you. Here ingestion occurs first. Now here digestion occurs. Here absorption occurs. Here assimilation occurs, and finally here what does occurs? Egestion. The waste is removed from our body. Now we'll just read an interesting fact. Now, do you know alimentary canal with associative glands form digestive system? What is alimentary canal? We have understood here. And what are associated glands? We'll now just understand. Now, as you know that there are liver, pancreas, gallbladder hair, pancreas hair, and liver hair. So these are the associated glands which provide some intestinal or just juices which help in digestion. Now these liver, pancreas, and gallbladder, what does they do? They just do the role of associated glands. So they are called associated glands. Associated glands and the alimentary canal, which are buccal cavity, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. They form, what do they form? Digestive system. This is the whole digestive system. Now let's move forward. So now thanks for watching my video. For more updates, subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like, share and comment the video. So as you know that this was the part 1 of my video. So now I'll just end up here only. As you know that this was the part 1 of the biology chapter, nutrition in animals. So I'll soon just give you the part 2 of the chapter. Thank you. So bye everyone. Stay fit, stay healthy.